Everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of network on Clash of Clans. To know how to fix or how to solve network on Clash of Clans app, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you'll enter to Clash of Clans. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. Here you can go to Play Store. You can search about Clash of Clans. If you'll find the updates, you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.